In this video, I'll be explaining how to find the major key and the minor key when you're given the key signature. So for major key, when you have sharps, you look at the last sharp and then you raise it by a half step. For example, the last sharp in here is F sharp, right? So F sharp on the piano keyboard is right here. If we raise that by a half step, we get G. So this is going to be G major. The next one, the last sharp is C sharp. If we raise C sharp by a half step, so C sharp is right here, we get D. So this is going to be D major. The last sharp is G sharp. Raise it by a half step, A, we get A major. Last sharp is D sharp. D sharp, raised by a half step, we get E. So this is E major. The last sharp here is A sharp. A sharp, when we raise it by a half step, we get B. So this is B major. Over here, we have E sharp. So E sharp, this is E. E sharp is over here. E sharp is the same as F. If we raise E sharp by a half step, we have F sharp. So this is F sharp major. Over here, we have B sharp. Here's B. Here's B sharp. Again, B sharp is the same as C. If we raise B sharp by a half step, we get C sharp. So this is C sharp major. Now let's look at the flats. For flats, when we want to find the key signature from, when we have flats and we want to find the key from major key, we look at the second last flat. So for example, for here, the second last flat is B flat, so this is B flat major. Over here, the second last flat is E flat, so this is E flat major. The second last flat is A flat major, D flat major, G flat major, and C flat major. Okay, so now that we know how to find the major key, let's learn how to find the minor key. So I just want to draw this little diagram here. This is relative major and relative minor. A relative major and relative minor means that they have the same key signature. So when we go from relative major to relative minor, we go 4 half steps down. For example, G major, from major to minor, we go 4 half steps down. So from G, let's try to go 4 half steps down. So this is G. G is number 1. And then number 2 is F sharp. F is 3. E is 4. So we land on E. So the relative minor is E minor. So when the key signature is F sharp, it can either be G major or it can be E minor. Let's look at the next one. For D major, so right here we have D. Again, from relative major to relative minor, we want to go 4 half steps down. So D is 1, D flat is 2, C is 3, and B is 4. So we land on B, so this is going to be B minor. Next up, we have A major. If we want to find the relative minor, we go 4 half steps down. So A is over here, that's 1, A flat is 2, G is 3, F sharp is 4. So we land on F sharp. So this is going to be F sharp minor. Next we have E major. Again, E major, we go 4 half steps down. So E is 1, E flat 2, 3, 4. We land on C sharp, so this is C sharp minor. Next we have B major. B is 1, 2, 3, 4. We land on G sharp, so this is G sharp minor. Next we have F sharp major, so F sharp is 1, F natural is 2, 3, 4. So we land on D sharp, so this is D sharp minor. Next we have C sharp major, so let me just erase this. C sharp is 1, C natural is 2, B is 3, and then A sharp is 4. So we land on A sharp, this is A sharp minor. For flats, it's the same thing. So B flat major, when we want to find the relative minor, again, go 4 half steps down. So B flat is 1, A is 2, A flat is 3, G is 4. So this is G minor. Same for E flat major. Right here we have E flat. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4. We land on C, so C minor. Same for A flat major. So A flat is over here. That's 1, 2, 3, 4. We land on F. So this is F minor. D flat major, so D flat is 1, C is 2, B is 3, B flat is 4. So B flat minor. And the other one is G flat major, so G flat is 1, F is 2, E is 3, E flat is 4, so E flat minor. The other one, C flat. So C is right here. C flat is a semitone below C. So C flat is 1, B flat is 2, A is 3, and then A flat is 4. So this is A flat minor. Okay, so you may notice that I left this one out. This is an exception to the rule. When you see B flat as the key signature, the major key is F major. Same with C major. C major is also an exception. C major is when there is no key signature. So just remember that. And let's find their relative minor as well. So for F major, again, we go 4 half steps down. So here we have F. That's 1, 2, 3, 4. We land on D. So the relative minor of F major is D minor. For C major, so here we have C, that's 1. And then B is 2, B flat is 3, A is 4. So the relative minor of C major is A minor. Okay, I hope this helped.